In this topic, we will discuss the various different development environments available in Python. A development environment is a combination of text editor and a Python runtime environment. The text editor allows you to write the code, and the runtime environment implementation such as CPython or PyPy provides the method for executing your code. A Python development environment can be as simple as a command line tool such as vimedit, or a simple text editor such as Notepad, or more advanced IDEs such as PyDev on Eclipse, PyCharm, Bluefish, and Komodo, which runs on major operating systems. Anaconda is best suited for data scientists because many of the packages that come with it are data science oriented. Anaconda provides tools to collect data from database, manage the dependencies, share, collaborate on, and reproduce projects, and deploy projects into production. Anaconda is an open source distribution for Python and R with the availability of more than 300 libraries for data science. It is used for data science, machine learning, deep learning, and more. You can install Numpy with the following command: conda install numpy, and then import numpy module with import numpy.